Welcome back to Class 7 Mathematics, Chapter 8 Comparing Quantities. Previous class we have discussed exercise 8.2, question number 1 to 5. Today I am going to discuss question number 6 to 10 of exercise 8.2. Let's move to our first question. Our first question is question number 6. Convert given percents to decimal fraction and also fractions in simplest form or in the lowest form. First it is given 25 percentage. As you know, what is meant by percentage? Percentage means per hundred, or the fractions with the denominator 100 is called percentage. So 25 percentage can be written as 25 upon 100. You know that how to write 25 upon 100 in the decimal form. If we divide by 100, you have to remove 2 digits from the right side, that is from units place, and then put the decimal point. So we got 0.25. This is the first part of the question. And in the second part means we have to write the fraction in the simplest form. 25 percentage can be written as 25 upon 100, which is not in the simplest form, because in numerator and denominator 25 is common. So we can divide both the denominator and numerator by 25. Then we get 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 is the simplest form of 25 percentage. Is it clear? Next is 150 percentage. So this can be written as 150 upon 100. First part, write it in the decimal form. So remove 2 digit from the right side, then put the decimal point. We get 1.50, or simply we can write 1.5. Second part of the question is find the lowest form or simplest form of the fraction. So 150 upon 100 you can divide by the common factor, or you can find the HCF of denominator and numerator, then divide by HCF, or by simple cancellation also you can find. Here 50 is common in both numerator and denominator, so you can divide by 50. So we get 3 upon 2 is the simplest form, or you can write it as 1 integer 1 upon 2. Next is 20 percentage. So it can be written as 20 upon 100 equal to 0.2. Now the lowest form is 20 upon 100. Cancel it. 0 cancelled. 2 and 2 can be cancelled in numerator and denominator. So denominator will become 5. So the simplest form of 20 upon 100 is 1 upon 5. Next is 5 percentage. So 5 percentage can be written as 5 upon 100. That means remove 2 digits from the rightmost side, then put the decimal point. Here we have only 1 digit. So before 5 you can put a 0, then put the decimal point. So we get 0.05. Lowest form is 1 upon 20. Our next question number 7. In a city, 30 percentage are females, 40 percentage are males, and remaining are children. What percent are children? So the total percentage or the total people will be 100 percentage. Out of that, females and males are given. What is the total of both? We get 70 percentage. So the remaining will be children. So what will be the percentage of children? 100 minus 70 percentage, that is equal to 30 percentage. 100 minus 70, that is equal to 30 percentage. Next, question number 8. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60 percentage voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you find how many people actually did not vote? So it is given that total population or total number of voters in a constituency equal to 15,000. Percentage of voters voted equal to 60 percentage. See children, here they are asking the percentage of voters who did not vote. So total percentage of voters can be taken as 100 percentage. From that, the percentage of voters voted is 60 percentage, that we have to subtract. Then we get percentage of voters not voted. So 100 percentage minus 60 percentage equal to 40 percentage. This is the first part of the question. Now we can move to second part of the question, that is 40 percentage means how many people are actually not voted, did not vote, that we can find out. So the number of voters didn't vote equal to 40 percentage of 15,000. That means 40 upon 100 into 15,000. You can cancel the zeros of numerator and denominator. So we get 6,000. That means 6,000 people or 6,000 voters did not vote. Next question. Meeta saves rupees 4,000 from her salary. If this is 10 percentage of her salary, what is her salary? We don't know her salary. So as usual, we can assume her salary as rupees X. And we know the savings. Her savings equal to rupees 4,000. And the percentage of saving is also given 10 percentage of the salary. So we can write this as 10 percentage of her salary equal to rupees 4,000. We have taken the salary as X. So the question can be written as 10 percentage of X equal to rupees 4,000. So 10 upon 100 into X equal to rupees 4,000, or 10x equal to 4,000 into 100, or x equal to 4,000 into 100 upon 10. Cancel 0 from 0 in the numerator and denominator. We get rupees 40,000. Hence Meeta's salary is rupees 40,000. Now we move to the last question of exercise 8.2, that is 10th question. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? So the total matches they played equal to 20, and the percentage of matches won equal to 25%. We have to find the number of matches they win. So the number of matches won equal to 25% of the total matches played. That means 25% of 20. That can be written as 25 upon 100 into 20. We can cancel 20 and 100. 20 and 100 20 can be cancelled with 20 will gives 1. 100, 20 can be cancelled in 100 will give the denominator as 5. Again 5 can be cancelled in 5 one time, and in 25 5 can be cancelled in 5 times. So the answer equal to 5. 5 matches. The team won 5 matches. Children, you should show the cancellation over here. Hence the cricket team won 5 matches. Thank you.